So here we are in 4.2.2 LTS with a neutral installation. So from here, we will go ahead and set our spacebar action to be search, and we'll save new preferences. From here, I will Shift H just to hide everything that isn't the default cube. And first we'll drag and drop box cutter onto Blender, and then we'll click on OK, wait for that to go through. Then we'll drag and drop box cutter onto Blender, and we'll go ahead and click on OK, and it will install as well. We'll see the active tool icon pop up over on the side once it's installed. Then we'll bring over Insolve, and after installing Insolve, we'll see two active tool icons pop up over on the side. And with that, installation is complete. If we press Alt W to start box cutter, we can enable snap dots, and from here begin working. And just like that, we have got in here and configured box cutter. So from here, I will just do a quick dice and twist, completing this demonstration.